Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to back up your Android phone to USB flash drive. So at first take a USB flash drive and connect it to your phone. Now if I scroll down and here you can see a notification. That means USB flash drive has been connected successfully with my phone. Now open up your settings app and then scroll all the way down. Then go to general management. After that scroll down again. Then go to reset. Now from here go to external storage backup and then choose USB storage. Now here you can see three options: everything, just calls and contacts, and custom. If I select custom from here and then tap on next. Now from here select your items that you want to backup to your USB drive. If I select images, videos, audio and document and then tap on backup, then tap on OK again, and you can see it's backing up your data. Now just give it a moment. It will take 2 or 3 minutes. You can see it's almost done and it's complete successfully. From here you can check your backup results and then tap on next, then tap on done. You have successfully backed up your Android phone data to your USB flash drive. Now if you want to find your backup data, just open up your file manager and then go to USB storage 1. After that go to smart switch backup, then tap here and then tap on this folder. Now from here you can find your all the backup data and files. And that is how you can back up your Android phone to USB flash drive. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.